Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vitika Lodi. Today I am teaching you geography for class 7th, social science at our environment. So we are doing chapter 1 for today. The chapter 1 is called environment. So let's begin reading this paragraph. After the long vacation, when Ravi started going to school again, he noticed that the only playground next to his school was dug up. Matlab, in this, there's one boy whose name is Ravi. He's the boy Ravi. So he went to a vacation. Means we're not sure how long the vacation was, but after he came back from vacation to the town, he noticed that the only playground next to his school was being dug up. Now, how will you feel if somebody digs, if there's only one playground next to your school and it's being dug up? So, would you feel nice? No, right? You will miss the swings, slides, and so other rides there. So let's continue reading. People said that a huge building with many flats will be constructed there. This means there where the park was before, there is going to be a building construction now, with which will be very huge and will have many flats. Um, Ravi was almost in tears when he realized that the big playground with soft grass, marigolds, and butterflies is gone forever. Means Ravi was almost in tears. He was almost going to cry, but he realized that the only playground which had soft grass and marigolds and butterfly was going to be. He shared his feelings with his classmate. In the assembly, the principal too sadly observed, "See how our environment." So it means that Ravi means he shared his feelings with his classmates. So now, after, when they went to the assembly, the teacher also, the principal of the school, said that see how the environment is changing. Now, in the class, Ravi asked his teacher, "What is environment?" "Whatever you see in your surroundings," said the teacher. Means just now after the assembly, we go back to class now. So Ravi went back to his class and asked his teacher, "What is environment?" Now, what is environment? You can just if this comes in your exam, you can just write it in a simple words. If you write in simple words, it would be whatever you see around your surrounding. There are many examples. Whatever you see, some means, but we just need to remember that some are human made and some are naturally made. So not everything around us means everything is environment. Not some things are not environment. Understand? So let's continue reading. Ravi thought aloud. That means the school building, tables, chairs in the classroom, even the open field, the roads, the garbage bags, my friends, all are part of environment. Yes, said the teacher. But wait, some objects are created by nature. By nature. For examples, mountains, rivers, trees, animals. Others are made by peoples. For examples, road, cars, clothes, book. Understand? So in this paragraph means what do you understand from this? um Whatever we see is surround means is the environment. There are some things that are that are not a part of environment. Some things that are made by humans, some things which are made by natural, by nature itself. Examples of nature: mountains, river, trees, and animals. They are made by humans? No, right? They are made by environment itself, nature itself. Now, the things that are created by human. Examples, there are many examples. Road, car, clothes, books are also created, and houses are also created. So these are examples of human made example. Now work in pairs, make a list with a classroom sitting next to you for the creations of nature and the human beings. Ravi, Pramji, Jesse, Mustafa, Asha were all excited about making the list. Why is our environment changing? Asked Aibala. It is because of our needs. Means now from these peoples they we have to learn the names also. So they were excited about making the list. Then one of them suddenly asked, why is the environment changing? Now what will the teacher reply? Of course it's because of our need. Now nowadays when we come from from new states, countries, cities, now we need a house, right? Where would we live? So to make a house they would have to cut down trees, because there is nowadays our India, whichever place are getting pollute, are getting, I mean what we say, means we can say that there are many peoples there, so popular they're getting, so there is no space for houses to make, because there are many more people who are living. So to make houses they cut down trees. Because of that means because of that we don't have fresh air to breathe from, clean water to drink, and the fishes and the animals which are in the air it's getting pollution because of the factories. The smoke coming out from the factories make the birds and the other animals which fly die and sick also. And the ones who live in in the water, they also get pollution nowadays. And means all those animals which are living on land, air, water, they might also die if we cut all the trees. Understand? So let's turn the page. So here's figure 1.1, compounds of environment. Wait, let me put it now. Do you see compound? So compound of environment, that's human, natural and human made. So if we take a look at the natural, then it is air, under atmosphere, water, hydrosphere, land, atmosphere, and living things, biosphere. Understand? We will learn about these four, atmosphere, hydrosphere, electrosphere, and biosphere later. And human made are building park, bridges, roads, monuments, industries. All right, now human, if we check, there is individuals, families, communities, religions, educational, economic, and political states. All right, now let's begin with the reading. Increases day by day. We are therefore modifying and at time even destroying our nature surrounding. The teacher replied. So the paragraph above, which we learned, the means passage between the teacher and the students and the principal ma'am have finished. Now let's read the second paragraph. From the above conversation, you understand the place, peoples, things, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. It is compound, nature and humans made for phenomena, while the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic. Contains existence on the earth. Now there is the meaning abiotic and biotic. So the biotic first is the world of living organism. The world of living organism, plants and animal. Now abiotic, the world of non-living elements. Example, land. So what do you understand from this? Now let's read this. Then we'll end. Then we'll continue the next video. Human environment revalues the activities, creations, and intersections among human beings. So I hope you understood the story between Ravi and his teachers and friends. So please like, share, and comment my video. Next video we are going to learn natural environment. All right.